Jah hear me now. Waters rise, but faith still stands. Save me now, Lord, the water's high. Flood at my neck, feeling like I might die. No solid ground where my feet can stand. I'm sinking deep in a restless land. I cry so long, my throat run dry. Eyes worn out, watching for the sky. Waiting on you, night and day. Still I call your name and pray. Don't let the waters cover me. Don't let the deep pull me underneath. Hear my cry, Lord, rescue me. Lift my soul from the raging sea. I stay. Yeah. You made me know for nothing at all. Enemy strong, standing tall. What I didn't steal, they want me pay. I bear the shame every day. Zeal for your house burning my chest. Mockery rain on me like a test. When I fast and bow my head, them laugh and talk about what I said. Yeah. Don't let the waters cover me. Don't let the deep pull me underneath. Hear my cry, Lord, rescue me. Lift my soul from the raging sea. Yeah. Answer me, Lord, in mercy true. Your loving kindness see me through.
Turn your face, don't hide away.
Yeah, this is the hour.
Hear me today.
Hear me, hear me. I'm a stranger, even in my home.